Before humans, before cities, Earth belonged to something far more powerful. Imagine a world that once existed, but feels completely alien today. Long before humans walked this planet, Earth was ruled by another lineage. The Spinosaurus was the largest carnivore ever discovered, built to dominate land and water. Its body was engineered for balance, fishing, and survival in a brutal prehistoric world. The dinosaur empire ruled land, sea, and even the skies. These weren't monsters, they were perfectly adapted survivors. But their reign didn't end quietly. But dinosaurs never truly vanished. Every bird alive today is their legacy. When the world went silent, every bird alive today is their legacy. This is Science Shock, where future tech meets reality.